Welcome back. ITI is likely to tie up with private industries to provide job recruitments for their students. Minister of Craftsmen Training Vishwajit Rane informed that ITI will have a tie-up with industries for job placement. Rane also announced to regularize ITI teachers working on a contract.
Industrial Training Institute organized induction program of ITI students at Altino on Tuesday. Vishwajit Rane said that the talks were on with the private industries for job placement.
It is necessary that all of you, when you pass out, you must have good marks on your cards so that you are eligible to go for these interviews. And I can assure you that from the ITI side, we are trying our best to see that we tie up with companies, whether it is by public-private partnership or whether it is through any other way where we tie up with the industry to see that we are able to give you 100% placement, which is not very easy.
Craftsmen and Training Department has selected around 140 contract teachers in various ITIs. Vishwajit has announced regularization of teachers who are working on contract in the ITI.
And I would like to assure the instructors that all the instructors who are on contract basis, your contracts will be reviewed. And apart from that, we are creating jobs for another 140 instructors who will be on regular basis so that you will be in a better position to impart knowledge to the students.
State Director of Craftsmen Training Alex Da Costa has asked the students to secure good marks for better job opportunities.
You have to be motivated, or your mindset has to be set to do hard work. But the end result which we see at the time of placement is not very encouraging.
Our reporter Devidas Kamre with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
The VM Salgaonkar Foundation felicitated 6 top-ranking students on Wednesday. They were felicitated for their outstanding performance in the 10th standard examinations. The awards were instituted 10 years back.
6 students were felicitated for their outstanding performance in the 10th standard examination. The awards were given away by Speaker of the Goa Legislative Assembly, Pratap Singh Rani. The students were awarded a cash prize, a merit certificate and 2 books published by the foundation.
And you all who have now topped the list, you will be going to various academic fields, various professions. But it's not only academics that matters. You will have to build yourself into a strong personality. With a lot of good things that you must imbibe from others. Be very compassionate, because you are going to be the toppers and you are going to be the leaders of the future.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Onkar Farari.
The AITCU-led PWD Labour Supply Society has demanded immediate regularization of their workers. Around 1,600 workers are employed in the Public Works Department on a contract basis. They have demanded that no new recruitment should be done unless these workers are absorbed.
PWD workers on Wednesday held a mass protest at Panji bus stand. They were demanding immediate regularization of around 1,600 workers who are currently on a contract basis. The workers protesting under the banner of the PWD Labour Supply Society with the support of All India Trade Union Congress have now demanded that no new recruitment should be done unless these 1,600 workers are absorbed.
हे कामगार PWD लेबर सप्लाय सोसायटी म्हणून या सोसायटी अंडर काम करतात, पण एका साइडीन हे कामगार गेली 15 ते 20 वर्ष या सोसायटीन काम करतात. हे लोकांका पेरिनियर सर्व्हिस 24 तास पाणी दितात. असे असताना सरकार फाटल्या दारान नवीन वॅकन्सी क्रिएट करता आणि नवीन वॅकन्सी परमनंट करपाचो प्रयत्न चलयल्लो आसा.
Our reporter Jason Suarez.
United we stand, divided we lose. That's the message from the hit English play United we stand. The play, directed by Tomazinho Cardoso, highlights how politicians exploit communalism to their benefit during elections.
Tomazinho Cardoso's English play United we stand has become an instant hit. The play that was staged at Kala Akademi on Tuesday witnessed a full house with the audience applauding and appreciating the fine performance. Here's what some people had to say.
The play was very well produced, very well acted. Each word and the dialogue was very clear. It was a pleasure to listen to them and see them acting. And the subject is very topical. It should be made compulsory viewing for all our politicians, irrespective of their caste, creed, religion, any damn thing. It really should be made compulsory viewing because they are the people who are ruining not only Goa, the whole of India.
Play was good. It has brought out the social situation created by the politicians. Our people are basically united, and the disunity is brought out by politicians today.
But what I saw today is that people's response to the play was very good. Practically everybody enjoying, everybody was clapping. That only shows that it is well understood. The message that is given about the political scenario in Goa is well taken by the people.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Onkar Farari.
Well, it's time for another short break. We'll be right back.